To begin, I added a clip to my timeline with the sky. I like to change the color of. Start by going to your project pane. Click on the New Item button and select Adjustment Layer. The defaults work fine, so hit OK. Drag your new adjustment layer onto your timeline and then drag its end. To match your clip, go to the Effects pane and type Change to Color in the search box. Drag the effect onto your adjustment. Layer up the Effect Controls pane. Open up the Change to Color effect. Click on the eyedropper button next to the From property. Click on your sky. Click on the Color Picker box next to the To property and select the color you'd like to change your sky to. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to change the color of your sky in Premiere. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.